Welcome everyone to another video.
Hello!
And as you can hear, users with me today.
Yep.
We finally got another Techie versus user coming out. And if you haven't already noticed, this is not your normal operating system, Windows operating system. It is Windows 10.
Woo!
And this is build 10.056. No, 10.0056. We aren't like Windows 3.1 here because that's what...
Yeah.
That'd be a pretty early build. Anyways, so we're going to be taking a look at the newest, well, not officially released, but newest available online release, we'll call it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty
That's
much.
what you told me.
Yeah, users like freaking out right here. He's thinking the FBI is going to come back.
I don't care. It's not my channel.
You don't give a shit?
I don't give a shit.
All right. All right, so what we're going to be doing is first I'm going to be talking a little bit about what is the new information I got on Windows 10 since our last encounter. Last time I kind of announced that Windows 10 was possibly going to be free to some users if you had Windows 8, but Windows 7 was still left in the dark. Windows 7 users, it's been confirmed. You probably already know this, a lot of you techies, but Windows 7, you'll be getting it for free. 8 users as well, and here's the cool thing, even if you've pirated Windows, you will still be getting the operating system Windows 10 for free. Another cool thing that they stated was Windows 10 in general, even if you don't have an existing copy of Windows, will be free for tablets under 9 inches. But however, you don't get a desktop mode, so you just get tablet mode, which we'll talk about that a little later. Resizable start menu, that has been removed in the latest build, and I kind of like that. I mean, that was the... Remember how you could grab the corner and you could kind of resize the start menu to how you liked it? And it would take up only a certain amount of the screen. Remember that? No, probably not.
No.
Wait, the typical user. All right, well, go ahead and you can drive. Click on the start menu for me and let me know what you see here. Okay, so now remember we can go up top and you'll get the double-sided arrow way to the border, I should say. Oh,
This?
yeah, like that, somewhere around there. All right, then you can click and you can resize it. Remember how we did that last time and you thought that was? I think you thought it was cool. I can't remember exactly, but
I think so. What's
yeah,
this one do?
that will expand it to full screen.
Oh, yeah, I don't like that.
Oh, really? See, I kind of like
It's
that.
too tablet-y.
Well, and I figured I'd like it if I had a lot of apps in the sense. Oops, sorry, I just bumped the mic. A lot of apps in there, but for the most part.
But now, can we take this app out and you can't
yeah,
change
you can.
apps? How?
Yeah, you can. Right click, and then you can unpin from start. There, now it's gone. You can even rechange the size too. So if you want to right click, you can resize.
Okay.
So if you right click on there, you can hit resize.
Oh, that's cool.
And you can go different sizes.
Wide.
Yep. And you can
Okay,
go
I like that.
large. And you can obviously see how the different categories here. You can create as many categories as you want, from what I understand.
How do you do that?
Basically, I think you can right click anywhere on a blank spot. Try that once. Nope. I've never actually done it yet, but I know you can. Try here.
Well, they still have paint, so that's good.
Yeah. All right, well, that's not that important. Well, that's so you can change a name.
That's
so you
the
can change a name, yeah. I think on Windows 8, you can basically just drag to a blank spot. Like, let me give it a try here and see if I can get it to do something. Yeah, see right there, I think.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so now you can create a new category, and we'll just call it Help. Yeah.
Oh,
So you can essentially drag it to some spot offside the screen or menu, and
What is this?
that's just the feedback. We'll get. Oh, you're going into it too soon.
Sorry.
Too soon.
I'm sorry.
Way to screw it up and leave it to the user.
That's fine.
Gus is always screwing things up. Anyways. So yeah, they don't have that in the current official release, but it looks as if they're going to get it back because keep in mind, techies, this is an unofficial release that we're testing today. What else is new? Search bar. Well, you can actually, for those of you who don't like this, I don't know why it keeps auto-hiding when it might just be a bug. Keep in mind, unofficial release.
Yeah.
You can actually resize the Ask Me Anything bar by going into, oh my gosh, where is it?
But going into...
I know, right? I was just like, oh, here we go. I can just do this. And now I'm completely drawing a blank here. And you guys are probably like, oh, why am I going there? Yeah, essentially you can resize this. And I don't know.
Wait, resize what?
You can tell it if you don't want to see the entire search bar here.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to try something?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I was gonna
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something different here.
Oh, hold on.
Oh,
hi, Bob. Wait,
talks
doesn't it
to-
sing of Cortana?
It does have Cortana.
Really?
We're going to try out Cortana, I think. But I'm just really embarrassed right now, the fact that I can't even get rid of a stupid search bar. Oh, is it in folder options? Let me try folder options here.
How about settings? Oh, look, settings. Did you see settings there?
I did see settings there.
Maybe you should go to settings.
Settings. We can try settings. They have a new settings, Matt. We'll bring that up here quick. There's your new settings window. Uh-oh. User ain't saying much.
I don't know if I like... I mean, it's... I don't know. Is this...
You don't know if you like it?
Is this supposed to be like control panel?
This is supposed to kind of be replacing control panel in a sense. It's supposed to...
Okay.
They still do have control panel.
Let me kind of go through system, devices. Okay. It's kind of... It's more grouped together.
Mm-hmm. It's in different... It's more designed to be useful for a tablet than a desktop.
But this isn't a tablet.
Well, yes, but most devices nowadays are tablets, and you can still use this on a desktop.
I found the background.
Yeah. Is that all you're going to...
I don't want to think about winter anymore.
Oh.
We just got over it.
So that really is bugging me, the fact that and it's somewhere, I'm probably missing it. I'm probably just like right on top of it, and it's the search settings. Start menu. Maybe they don't have it. Oh, here it is. Right here.
Oh.
So search box right here. So if we do that, essentially we can make it so that it's just a little button instead of taking up that whole area. Okay. Or you can just disable it entirely if you don't even want the search right there. And then you just click on the start menu and it pops up there. So you can hide it.
Okay.
So it's still there in the start menu, though.
I kind of like that.
Yeah, so we'll just... Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I broke it now. I did break it.
Way to go.
I did break it. Let's see if we can... There we go. Yeah, there's a reason why it is an unofficial release.
Yeah.
But there's some new features in here that we are taking a look at here. So, that essentially is the start menu. What am I talking? Okay, tablet mode. All right, you can drive again, user. Now, obviously, you've seen in early builds of Windows, you can go into what's called tablet mode so that the people using tablets can use a more tablet-friendly interface, and the people who are using desktops can use a desktop-friendly interface. So, user, I think do you remember where to go to get to tablet mode? No, it's task view. It's not the same. Oh, snap.
Shit. Close that.
You have to... Here, let's see. There you go. I got you out. Okay, so click on notifications. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. It must just be a bug. And then tablet mode. Yeah. All right, so now you can click off anywhere on the screen. And now if you notice, the icons went away.
Yeah.
I haven't seen anything on that. I don't know if that's something new Microsoft is going to be planning on doing. But anyways, here is what it's going to look like in tablet mode. So this is where all your applications are going to be, everything of that sort. I don't know if you can put... let's try this. See if we can drag one of those to the desktop somehow. No, it looks like we can only just do it in the start menu. Right-click on it once. Let's see if we can... Get that to go. Pin, no. I was thinking maybe they'll let you have like kind of in Windows 8 where you can have these apps on the desktop. That would be kind of nice. Like if you can have two different interfaces set up to the point where you can set up these at a glance applications on the actual desktop, so you don't have to click the start menu or start button, whatever you want to call it.
Because I hate tablet mode.
Well, if you're on a desktop,
it's stupid. If you're on the desktop like this, why do we need a tablet mode?
But what if you're on a tablet? Then you'll be bitching about the fact that you want to... Oh, I don't want to be on a desktop. I have a tablet.
Because I guarantee if you buy a tablet now with Windows 10, it's going to automatically start up in tablet mode. You're not going to start up in desktop mode.
Well,
right?
I guess...
Right?
Well, by default right now, yes, it does start up in desktop mode.
Well, then maybe they should do an update. What's Power do?
Power will shut it down.
I don't want to do that.
All right, so all apps essentially will bring you to all apps, and you can scroll through them right there.
Ooh, there's games.
There are games.
Inside a hub, okay.
Inside a, yeah, that's where we're going to...
Okay.
Yep.
Picture, oh, okay.
Yeah, so essentially... What's wrong with Xbox? They're getting better.
Right. All right.
He's a PlayStation fan.
Yeah.
I do have a PlayStation too, but I might be getting an Xbox pretty soon. So.
The hell you are.
Yeah. All right. Well, so that's tablet mode. So obviously to exit tablet mode, you just toggle the button again, and you can see we're back here in desktop mode. Task view. Essentially, you click that, and you don't get anything because we don't have anything open right now. But if we want to have two separate things going, we can go ahead and do that. By the way, the old control panel, I should mention, is still available.
Okay.
However, some settings have been moved out of it. As you can see, if you go to System and Security, Windows Update is no longer in this category. In order to go to Windows Update, you have to open up the settings and you have to go to Update and Recovery and check for updates there.
Okay.
So it looks like they are slowly removing features from this interface and moving them over to the new one. So it's kind of nice, this new interface, but I don't know. To me, it's not that bad. I kind of like it. I think I'll get used to it. It's just me being old school, being used to this since Windows 7. Actually, Windows Vista is really when they first introduced this whole category type of mode. I mean, XP kind of had a little bit of a category mode, but it wasn't nearly as neat and organized as this one. I think Windows 7 really hit it home with that interface right there. So, yep, it's still available, but
it's going away.
It's starting to go away, yes. So, task view, getting back to that. If you go ahead and click this, you once again can get a new desktop and then essentially open up new things on here. But it's already open on here on my computer, so that's why I did that. Okay, so we'll just leave that there, go to desktop 2, and let's open up Trusty Paint. So then you can have Paint going on this desktop, and then you click on task view, you can go to that desktop. Which brings up another feature. You can still obviously Alt-Tab through different desktops. I think it was Alt-Tab. Yes, it was.
What's going on up there? That was weird.
That was just the shortcut keys.
Ah.
It might be because I'm on a virtual machine here. You're supposed to be able to Alt-Tab through different desktops. But I do know that you can do Control Windows. Hold on here. Control Windows and arrow. Oh, you got me. Why isn't it working now? Sorry. They must have not had it integrated because you can use actually the Control Windows key and arrow key. Oh, there it went.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, just like that. Okay.
That's cool.
So yeah, you can basically use that to toggle through your different desktops.
Okay.
Which is, I think that's really kind of a cool feature.
How many desktops can you have?
You can have as many desktops as you want. There's really no limit that I've seen.
Challenge accepted.
Oh, well, maybe you should wait until I actually start talking about something. Yeah, maybe we'll try that a little later once we're done checking everything out here. We'll go back. But so yeah, essentially to obviously delete a desktop or remove it, you can just go ahead and click the little X, and then you're back to this. So it is. I do like the multiple desktops. Now I think Mac has had those for quite a while, so it's kind of a Mac feature that they're taking right there. But they all steal things from each other. Let's see. Full screen start. There is supposedly no more full screen start. I made a note of that. I don't know why, considering you can see it still goes full screen.
Yeah.
But I think what I meant by that is you don't have the start screen anymore. Yes, no more start screen. Yeah, they completely got rid of the start screen. So now you just have the start menu. Now you can put the start menu full screen, but that's it. That's all you can do. It's now, you know how in like Windows 8 you had the start screen where you have the desktop and it was an app? Well, the desktop app does no longer exist. The desktop is the operating system, and the start menu is just an extension of it. Kind of how it really should have been all along. Instead of the desktop being an app, people are so mad about that.
That's the stupidest thing ever, Windows. Why the hell? Hey, let's put that on the desktop. That's a great idea. No, because of you guys.
Desktop as an app.
Yeah, whatever. It's so dumb. It was the stupidest thing ever.
I don't think Windows 8 was that bad.
Oh,
I should say
God,
I should say 8.1. Windows 8, yeah, it was pretty bad.
Like,
but
that was
8.1,
like,
I like it.
It
is much more reliable than Windows 7. You got to admit that.
It is, but it's just the layout of it was so confusing. It's still just like, oh, if you need to print something, that's Control P or Alt P. I don't remember which. Control P.
That's always been in Windows.
No.
Yeah.
No, normally there's a damn print button.
You could Control P since
okay,
Windows 90.
I got that. Okay, 95, whatever. I got that. But like on Windows 8, there was no print button. So if you were looking at a PDF file, I could never see a print button. I had to hit Control P.
That's Adobe, if I remember.
No, on the computer that I have in my house.
Oh, you're talking about... Oh, I know what you're talking.
Bullshit.
You're talking about the Internet Explorer app.
I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just, I know you can't, there was no print button.
He's talking about the tablet Internet Explorer, basically where you'd have to go into a menu and click print, but it wasn't just visible as in Windows Internet Explorer 11 desktop version.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I know what you're talking about now.
That's frustrating.
Okay.
It was.
Anyways, so getting back on track here, moving along before the techies start yawning.
Yeah.
Essentially, security. Talking about security. Let me log off here, just because it'll be a perfect kind of screen to be looking at when we're talking about security. Biometrics. I assume you've all heard of them, and it's been in talk for years, and they've been really more and more common in the residential computer world. Well, they're going to be introducing a new set of logon systems, in a sense, and they're all going to be used as one. Fingerprint readers, iris scanners, and facial recognition. So that's going to all be kind of in conjunction and replace the password field that you see right here. Obviously, you're going to use your camera for your iris and face, and then fingerprint readers. They're almost they're on a lot of devices now, and touchscreens can use them now. So that's really kind of a nice feature that Microsoft is going to be incorporating into the operating system itself, and it's also very secure because, well, good luck hacking somebody's iris or face. You know, it's one of those very unique things about the human body. Oh, I bet you can try, but
if you watch Face Off.
Yeah, I bet.
Like in Hostel 2 or whatever, they took the guy's face. Yeah, you could just do that. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Oh my god. Your mind is just like, oh my god. Where has this channel gone?
To the dark side.
Yeah, pretty much. That brings me to another point here. Windows 10, general in size, is smaller. They've actually freed up 2.6 gigabytes in the actual operating system itself that it were to take up on the system. So that's nice to hear too. For those of you who are using an older build of Internet Explorer, I can't show you in here because they've completely got... Hold on a second, user. I got to check something out here. I think they got rid of Internet Explorer entirely. Oh, no, they didn't. Okay.
Wasn't Internet Explorer going to be shut down?
It is. Well, they announced that they were going to incorporate Internet Explorer in Windows 10 still.
But it's getting shut down, so how is it going to work?
Project Spartan is going to take over.
Okay.
So, but they're keeping both right now, from what I understand, just to kind of help that transition point. So if something doesn't work in Project Spartan because it's completely from the ground up build, there's going to be some bugs. Mm-hmm. That's why they're keeping a known decent platform
out there until they get this up and going.
Yes, exactly. But if you want to kind of fool around with Internet Explorer and use some of the features that are in Project Spartan, you can actually go to the features within Internet Explorer. If you go to About, Flag, or Flags, you hit Enter, and then you can essentially get into the experimental features of Project Spartan and incorporate them into Internet Explorer. Okay. So that's really kind of a nice feature, the fact that they have incorporated that. Or not really incorporated right now. This is obviously going to be removed in the final version, but for right now, for those of you who are trying to test this out yourself, go ahead and if you want, go ahead and experiment with some of these features. So that's kind of cool when I found that. Let's close out of this. They have a new clock, supposedly. So let me see if I can open the registry edit here. And I like that. It seems to be a lot more responsive. In the previous builds of Windows 10, it really took a long time for it to register with the basic commands like cmd or regedit. It really just couldn't pull up the application that fast. Cortana was trying to do a lot of the work. Now it seems to be very snappy, like in Windows 7 and Windows 8. Okay, so let's go to HQ local machine. We want to go to software. We're going to go to Microsoft. We're going to go to Windows. Way down at the bottom.
Right. If you're trying to change the clock, why don't you just click right there?
This is techie stuff, buddy.
I know that, but if you're trying to change the clock, you can go right there.
We're changing the setting. All right. Here's what the clock looks like. Never mind. We don't have to change it. Okay, I keep forgetting that this build... You can close out a registry editor. This build has things that obviously are not incorporated in certain older builds of Windows. So essentially what you would do is you'd go to HQ local machine software Microsoft Windows current version immersive shell and then make a new key in a sense. What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just looking up
Russia
places in Moscow.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, you can.
How do you change the time? Because that's not right.
Yeah, I know it's not right. Here, I think you go to this right here.
Oh, wait. Manage.
That's just to manage the clocks.
Okay.
To change the time, I think you go down here, and then I think you click on something like, maybe right click. Oh wait, I saw it.
Something.
Adjust date and time.
There we go.
There it is. Okay. So yeah, we can. We're not in Pacific. Yes. Also, I'd like to say to Microsoft, can you please ask when people install Windows the time zone that they're in, and not just let it off? Because it's been ever since Windows 8. I don't know if you remember that. where basically you install Windows and it just puts you at Pacific automatically. It doesn't ask you what your time zone is, and you always have to go in and change it. Maybe I'm missing something, but I've never seen it. It has never prompted me to select which time zone, like in, let's say, XP or Windows 7 even. So
Can you like put like important dates on here at all?
not on here, but there is a calendar available.
What the hell is this? That's a calendar.
This just tells you the current. Yeah, it just tells you the current date.
But yet, okay, I can click on this. This doesn't make sense. Why would they not just?
Maybe
put
they're
it all
gonna
in one?
incorporate something in. Maybe that would be pretty cool though if they incorporate the calendar app into that.
Like, hey, here you go.
And maybe they already do, but I don't have anything in there to see. So let's take a look here. Let's see if we can go to the calendar app. Did you remove it?
No.
Yes.
Oh, I did. That's right. That was the first thing I removed too. That's okay. No one needed a calendar.
Well, we can just go ahead and
Welcome.
pin it to the start. Yes, get started.
Yes.
Yep. All right.
All right.
So here's our calendar. Now I assume we can put stuff in here somehow. I've never used the Windows new event. Oh, there we go.
Event name: Be a Badass.
Be a bad ass. We'll do it like that because we're just badass.
Location.
Location.
Your mama's house.
Everywhere. There we go. Start time all day.
No, don't do that. I want to see if it like pops up when you do a certain time. When it
Oh,
starts.
okay. So let's see. Right now it's 4 o'clock. So we'll do start
4:06.
4:30. Let's.
4:06.
Oh yeah. We'll do a little earlier. We're not gonna be doing the. Ooh, can we do custom
You
time?
can't type it.
Oh, tell me. Okay, we can. So 4:10 we'll do. So it'll pop up. Oh my.
No.
There we go.
There you
4:10. There we go.
All right.
Woo! Save and close. Hey, be a
There you go.
badass. We're gonna be a badass at 4:10. You better think of something to do to be a badass at 4:10.
Okay.
Yeah, you got 5 minutes to think of it.
Okay, it's already done.
All right, so that's essentially the calendar, and I don't know why we even did that. Well, I guess because new clock and
I'm
calendar.
gonna go
But
set Microsoft on fire
wow,
because they have Xbox.
you must really like hate Xbox.
Oh, piss me off.
Wow.
The only
Okay.
good thing that came out of them was Halo.
Yeah, you got to admit Halo was
That's
pretty
it.
cool.
That's about
Yep.
it.
So getting into the folder options here. Down here, by default, you don't have, I don't think you have this PC on the desktop. You can add that obviously by going to the personalization options and then change desktop icons easily. You can put that on there, which I always like it on the desktop, but that's just me. However, if you don't like it on your desktop because you don't like clutter, you can change this down here to go right to this PC by going to folder options. Because by default, it brings you to this quick menu. Yeah, the quick access menu. So if you change it to that, this is how it is at default. It brings you to this right here, which doesn't give you a local drive or anything like that. You'd have to click over here to get to this PC. So, I don't know, as of right now, I'm more of a, I don't know if I close that out. I am more of a this PC kind of person, just because I like to have access to everything all in one window. But that's just me.
Yeah.
So, but that's how you change that. At least it's nice that they allow you to change it, because I know when I first saw it, I really didn't like it. But now the fact that you can change it, hey, that's kind of cool. So, another cool thing is Windows Update. What they have done with this, and I don't know if there are, let's see. Choose how you get updates. Okay, so essentially what they're doing is they're offering peer-to-peer updating now. So what happens is you update one of your computers on your local network. That is, I think it uses Home Group to do this. Not quite sure if it just needs it on the same network or what. But if one computer has the updates that were downloaded for the specific patch, it'll essentially allow other computers to grab those updates from it instead of downloading them from Microsoft servers. Does that make sense?
No.
Okay, so you know right now how when you update Windows, you have to download all the updates.
Yep.
Well, and you know how long it takes to download, typically, especially when you have a lot of people downloading. Well, let's say I bring my Surface over, my tablet with Windows 10, and I have mine up to date.
Mm-hmm.
Essentially, I can tell Windows to grab the updates from my tablet and
bring it
install
over.
them on yours, instead of having to re-download them all. So
Okay.
essentially, they'll just install them right from mine. And that's really great for multiple devices, because you don't have to download all of them on
At
each
once.
computer. You can just download them on one computer. Whatever one gets them first, it'll then distribute them to the rest of the devices.
I like that.
Yeah, and that's really, I like that feature. I think that's a great feature that they introduced. Hopefully it'll work, but I assume there's going to be a couple bugs with it in the beginning.
Always will be.
It's Microsoft.
Yep.
So that's really kind of a cool thing, I thought. All right, now we're getting into the meat and potatoes here, the thing that everybody's kind of been really excited about. Project Spartan. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, I think it's taking over Internet Explorer.
Yep, it's going to eventually
Because
replace...
You just told me 5 minutes ago.
So, yes, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
All right, so go ahead. I'll let you drive now. You know where Project Spartan is? Oh, you're going to go in here. Oh, I guess I can see it right here, but it's on the... Yeah. Project Spartan, right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was looking over here.
I was like, waiting. I'm like, come on, buddy. Can't you see it?
No.
All right, so this is Project Spartan right here.
Right.
Brand new, spanking, and it just brings me right to the Insider program. So essentially, this is their brand new browser. Really haven't done too much in the way of looking up things on it, but essentially I know they have a completely different engine that's supposed to render things much more efficiently and do a much better job at just basically making your web experience a lot better. Some of the cool features that I have seen in here, though, is click on that little thing up in the corner, the little pen thing.
This?
Yep, that. Okay, now you can go ahead and ink anywhere. Actually, click on this right here.
This?
Yep. And pick a color, any color. Really black. Really red. Okay, really, just start inking somewhere. So now you can actually draw anywhere you want inside the browser window.
That sounds dirty, but alright. Just start inking.
Oh my god.
Oh, you so...
Yeah.
We could have so much fun on YouTube.
Pretty much. Yeah, so you can ink anywhere you... Oh, do not... I knew exactly what you're thinking about, okay? No, yeah, exactly.
Smiley face.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you fixed that one real fast. Once you realized what you were doing, it's like, oh, I'm going to fix this real quick. Yeah. Okay, you can go ahead and click on the little highlighter thing, too. So you can actually highlight things.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yep. So now if you want, you can save it, or you can click on the little share button right there, and you can actually share it directly. See the little kind of circle with the three dots?
This thing?
Yep. So now you can actually share it directly through, like if you had Facebook app on here, you can do that, from what I understand.
Cool.
Yeah. So you can post stuff.
That's a save.
Save, and I think just click on it once. We'll see what happens. Save as web notes. Click add whatever. It's going to create it in favorites. So now it
This
should
is
be in
actually
favorites.
really good for like college people. Or
You know what?
Studying. I like that.
And it's not designed to be used with a mouse. It's designed to be used with a pen.
Yeah.
Microsoft has always loved
Whoa.
inking. And
What is this?
How did you do that?
What is that?
What did you do?
I just changed the color.
And it moved it? Oh, wait, now it's broken again.
What? What is going on?
I don't know.
Oh wait, do I gotta
Did
do
you-
this and then this?
Maybe no. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was weird.
It's still in beta.
I can tell.
There's still some bugs. I could picture this getting really like elementary students not doing any work anymore.
Nope, they're gonna go.
They're
"Look
just
what I
going
can do."
crazy because I remember that was like the shit back in school, and we would just sit there with paint and draw different things on there. And pinball, yeah.
Pinball was fun.
Oh,
I
I remember he would get so mad. What, really?
It's a pirate, kinda.
A pirate?
Baby.
What kind of pirate is that?
It's a baby pirate.
Arr? Is that what it's a baby pirate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Arr. Let's see what else
Got
do
the
we
neck
got.
of a giraffe.
A neck of a giraffe.
Yeah, look at he's got the neck of a giraffe.
You know, I bet the techies are like, what the hell am I watching right here?
You guys want to see my artistic skills? This is it.
What are you trying to draw?
A parrot.
A parrot?
I told you it's a baby pirate.
It looks like a walrus or something like that. with the freaking like thing coming
You
out
look
of
like
it.
a walrus, you dick. It's a parrot. Don't sell my drawing skills.
Okay, well, yeah. So getting into a few more things here. Basically, well, actually, I should start talking about this quick while you're doing that. People who are using older builds of Windows right now, Windows 10, such as 9841, 9860, and 9879, you're going to want to upgrade those pretty soon because Microsoft has announced by the end of April they're going to deactivate those, meaning that they will no longer boot. Now, if you're running them on a virtual PC, it doesn't really matter because obviously you just delete the virtual disk and make a new one and install fresh anyways. However, if you're running it on an actual PC, you're gonna be in for a rude surprise when you try to go boot up the PC.
What is this
work.
supposed to do?
That I haven't figured it out yet. I think it's supposed to be an eraser.
Well, it's not a erasing.
I know. I tried it earlier. It doesn't work. Useless piece of crap.
But what happens? I don't want to lose my baby pirate, but it says clear all. And
Oh, you just lost your baby pirate.
no, it saved this guy. That's bullshit.
Oh my god.
What? It just
You know, I should have never showed you this.
No, he probably shouldn't have.
You're gonna go home now. You're gonna install this just so you can start inking everything.
Probably not, because my Alienware took a shit.
That's right, it did, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
You're the one who bought an Alienware.
I know, and I regret it. Screw you, Dell. I hope you're watching.
Oh my gosh.
I have hate for a lot of companies, if they haven't noticed. Not all.
You do.
I don't mind Sony.
I have no.
I know you don't like Sony.
Yeah, after they screwed over my television.
Yeah, well, that sucks.
Freaking HDMI cable bent all the pins in my port. Anyways, we're getting off track again.
No,
okay,
you are.
your art time is done. Okay,
All right.
art time is over. There.
Oh, so it goes away?
Yeah, if you click exit.
Okay, so now, hold up.
But you should have been able to save.
That's what I
that.
wanted to see. Because I know
it
we
went to
saved.
favorites. Yeah, so look for. I don't know where you're going.
Where would it be?
You go back to the browser. It's in the favorites. There's probably another way to access it, but like I said, it's all right. Go click on the bookmarks. I think that's where it is. Oh, that's reading view. Okay, that's something new. So yeah, if you want to like go into a reading view, you see how it's more kind of looks
Like a book.
organized, and yeah, it's more like a book.
Yeah, okay,
I
great.
completely
I want
forgot
to see
about
my
that.
damn drawing.
Um,
Like I'm being serious. Where would
I
I
know,
go
I
to
know.
find it? Like-
Let me see if I can navigate to somewhere. Oh, there it is. Yeah, see there it is.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you save it in your favorites, and you can see it's okay. So it's saved in C users no spa application day. Oh my good lord! I wish maybe you could change the location. I really hope they allow you to do that because I really would rather save it in a specific location than their default one.
Okay. This is X save. Create in.
Yeah, you can just do
Favorites
favorites
bar.
bar or
Try the favorites bar.
well, that's just gonna be the bar. That's not gonna. It's still in favorites.
Oh, it just crashed.
It did.
Damn it.
Now we're going to MSN.
College student gunned down.
Oh, more wonderful news. This is not a news channel. This is a techie versus user
I
channel.
know what it is. Okay, so now let's go to favorites. Favorites. Oh, come on. Oh, that's right here. It's. Why would you get rid of that? I don't.
That's the same favorites as it used to be. It
No,
was
it's
always on
not.
the right side of the screen.
I know, but normally when you click on favorites, you get this.
Click this
not-
right here. Click this. Okay, just do it for me. Okay. Where's the favorites?
Right up
Oh,
here.
on the right side where it always has
Yeah,
been.
but okay.
Well,
what
for
I'm trying to
version
say.
9 and above, I think. 8
But
on
that's
the
what
other
I'm
side.
trying to say. When you click on favorites, you get this. You don't have to click on a separate tab, because over here in Spartan view or whatever it is, if you click favorites,
Yeah, it's to add favorites.
but
That's the favorites menu. See what I'm saying?
okay.
There's your X.
I do like that. That's going to be useful for someone who's
Oh yeah,
studying.
definitely on a tablet. That is really gonna.
That's going to be
Yeah,
nice.
I like that
You don't have to
feature a
sit there
lot.
and jot shit down anymore.
Yep. So kind of moving on here now to something else besides inking and drawing pirates
Yeah.
and parakeets or whatever the hell it is. You can go ahead and close out of this before you get distracted. Oh, it's too late.
Sorry. I was reading something. All right.
All right. So for those of you who don't know, Windows 8, from what I understand, what?
Did you notice something?
What?
We were never told to be a badass.
We did. We went.
It's 417.
Oh shit! Microsoft, I missed my appointment.
Yeah.
Did we set an alert? Maybe we didn't do that. Maybe we screwed up. Show as busy. Well, where in the hell? I don't know what this stuff does. You know, it would have been nice, really, if I had an alert.
Yeah. Because we missed it. I didn't even notice till I glanced down. I mean, unless I did notice this.
Okay.
It shows you on here, but if you go to like your clock, you can set an alarm
Good morning.
to be a badass. Or
Yeah, but you should be able to events. It should remind you. Maybe did we miss it? I don't know. I didn't never popped up.
I never saw anything.
Maybe I just don't know how to use a calendar.
Maybe. Was this up for AM?
I
I think it was. No, PM.
No, it's PM. Should be right in here somewhere. Repeat. Oh, there's useless.
That's a dog, by the way.
Yes.
In case they don't know.
They probably don't know.
Oh, look, now we're gonna be
Oh,
badass.
whoa!
Every day of the week.
Oh, we're gonna be a bad. We are
Just once a week.
every Saturday we're a badass. Well, that's kind of interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up, but I don't want to take any more time off of the video. All right. So getting back to what I was saying, after we figured out that Microsoft screwed up on the calendar, or maybe we did, I don't know, whatever. Those who are using Windows 8, from what I understand, God mode was not in there, but Windows 7 it wasn't. A lot of people liked it. So Microsoft has decided to put back into Windows 10 God mode. So
Yay!
I know you don't really understand it, but
No.
for those of you who don't know what God mode is, you take this little line of text, we'll call it, and we'll paste it in here. You hit enter, and you got yourself God mode, which is a collection of every single setting, for the most part, in Windows 10.
Yay! I don't see what the big deal is, but okay.
And for those of you who don't know this, you can also rename God mode whatever you want. So you just have to basically say after the period here, well actually no, you do this. Sorry. Did this wrong. Okay. So we call it, oh no, I did it right. I'm an idiot though. Alright, so we go bad ass mode. There. You can call it badass mode.
Oh.
So as long as you just have to make sure the period stays there, and whatever's before the period is what it's going to show up in the text. So you can name it whatever you want.
Okay.
So yeah, we got badass mode right there. Well, badass mode right up there. All right. Another cool feature that Microsoft is introducing is offline maps. I don't know if this was in Windows 8. I don't think it was because it looked like it was brand new when I was reading about it. Essentially, you can set your maps to be available offline. Now, I haven't tried this yet because I like to kind of wait and try it out with you guys just so that you're in the same boat I am. And also, when you're testing an operating system, you want it to be intuitive and you want it to be quick and easy to understand. So, we're not going to let you use my location because I really don't want it to show my location, but it probably will anyways. Let's see here. If we go to offline mode, do you see offline mode anywhere?
No. Ooh.
Oh, maps again.
I want to play with that. Whoa. Exploring 3D, what is that? What?
Away we go.
Oh, that is cool.
Yay, look at it. It's like flying a plane.
No, it's not.
Don't ruin my dreams. All right, so yeah, I don't see it in here right now, but supposedly Microsoft has announced that they are going to make available offline maps so that you don't have to burn through your data at all. Oh, he's going to go to the airport.
Yep. Actually, I can do it this way. Since I think it's in where are we? Minnesota?
We're down there in South
We're in
Arizona,
South?
I think so. Albuquerque? Yeah. You gotta reposition it so that you're north. Hit the little compass thing, it'll flip it around.
Yeah, I would say, holy crap,
There
I'm
you
all
go.
turned around. There we go.
Okay. Everybody's waiting right now for you
I
to
know.
do what you want to do.
I know, but
The techies are losing their
That
patience.
sucks.
They're probably losing their keyboards too now.
that's fine.
Yeah, well,
There it is. How come it's not in Street View or whatever, or 3D? Where do you go for 3D?
go to 3D ones. 3D. I don't know if it's available for the. Oh,
Oh.
snap!
Yep, there it is.
Yeah, it's his most favorite place on the earth, I think.
Yeah, probably. No, Chicago is.
Oh,
Chicago's busy.
okay.
All right.
Yeah, so so essentially they're going to be making the maps available offline so you don't burn through your data. Nothing really special there. Another little, we're going to try to get this video moving.
I know,
here.
but I want to play in Lambeau Field.
Oh, Lord. Here, it's up. I think it's up more.
Yeah, because it's around. Yep,
here
there
it
it is. Hey, look at that.
It's kind of like somewhat 3D.
I get to fly over that.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah, not people can say that. Not during the game, though.
Yeah, exactly.
Can't do it during the game.
Yep. All right. So let's see what else we got going here. All right. Cleaning up Windows or old Windows installations here. So let me go to. Actually, let's go to Control Panel here. Oh no! What am I doing?
Huh.
I don't know what I'm doing. Manage, cleanup. So something you want to do when you upgrade to a newer version of Windows here is clean up the old Windows installation. You don't need it on there. It's just taking up disk space. That's the one thing I'm going to show you guys here. Make sure you do that. So we're going to just kind of hopefully wait here a little bit. It shouldn't take too much longer. But that's pretty much it for Windows 10 for an overview. Should we test the malware blocking capabilities of Windows 10 alone?
Yeah, this one's already kind of out of whack.
What do you mean out of whack?
Like, it's, you know...
Are those technical terms there?
Yeah, it's
how's
like,
your computer, sir? Oh, it's out of whack.
Like, you know, Spartan or whatever went Kaputski.
Kaputski?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's
It's my favorite word.
Kaputski.
Yep.
Yep.
So that's kind of, I don't know, messed up.
Oh, they don't have them in here anymore because I already removed them.
What don't they have?
Basically, you want it would be an option here. It says previous Windows installations, and it would also state Windows old. It basically deletes the Windows old folder, and you want to go in here and delete that after you've done an upgrade, just because there's no need for it to be on your drive anymore. It's just taking up space.
Yeah.
So you want to clean that stuff up. So, all right. Let me get my VPN online here, so that we can do this. Should have probably done this earlier.
Probably.
Yeah. We're not going to do too much in the way of anything elaborate, but we'll go ahead and we'll test a few things. We'll put Malwarebytes on here and just run a Malwarebytes scan then after, just to kind of get a control.
Oh, you should know that.
And then we can see...
They viewed that as a blast failure.
A what?
Blast failure, apparently. He wasn't happy with it or something.
Oh.
Good for him, I guess.
So we'll try Project Spartan out here.
What is this?
Malwarebytes.
Oh, okay.
You've never heard of Malwarebytes
I have,
before?
but I just...
Oh, it's automatically downloading it. Yeah, and also that's the new download interface. Very interesting. I really wish that...
Weird.
I really wish you could open it up, though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That gives you the option to run, open, or download.
Yeah,
or whatever
yeah.
It is. Yeah.
View download. Oh, so you can view the downloads after it's completed. But you can't view them during the download. I kind of like, what is it doing? Why did it open up 2 installations? Oh, whatever. All right, and we'll see if Windows, oh my gosh, we'll see if Malwarebytes even works here on Windows 10. It should, but
You don't even read it, do you?
not anymore. I've done it so much.
Ah.
I know what it's telling me.
So do I. Just blah, 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 blah. Don't do this, blah, 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 whatever.
No, you don't know what to do. You just click next on everything.
Not on everything.
And then you get mad at me. Why isn't it working?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Guilty.
Yeah. Updating. Burp. We'll just go like to Malcode or some other sites like that. We're going to download a pack of malware.
Yeah, okay.
Because it's not obviously ready yet.
Oh.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we
We're
going?
not going to D.C. anymore.
No, we're not going to D.C. We
Looks
are
like
in
San
California.
Jose.
Los Angeles.
Oh.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
All right, close enough. That place is a shithole. I was there once, and that was just weird. I met my first cross-dresser.
You want to tell that? You want to tell everybody about that? Because right now it's not really looking good for you. You might want to explain that you were young when you met your first cross-dresser.
Yeah, I was very
like
young.
like not
Yeah.
like last week
Yeah.
met your first cross-dresser, because they might be thinking some things right now that are a little bit
That
like.
sounds terrible.
See,
All right.
yeah, exactly.
So I was young. I don't even know exactly how old I was. I think I was still in middle school. Anyway, we were walking down the area where they got all the stars on the names, and that was kind of cool. But I mean, the whole city in that area is kind of shitty. And so we were walking, and there was a cross-dresser, and I ended up asking my mom why that man or why that lady had an Adam's apple. And I guess that was the first time I met a cross-dresser. So, yeah, that happened.
It's a very fascinating story.
Yeah. I figured I could probably clear the air on that whole situation. Otherwise, people are going to think I'm weird.
Well, they think you're weird.
Yeah,
either way,
I know
but
they do, but at least they don't think I'm into that.
All right. Let me isolate the guest here from the rest of the system. Okay. Let's do some malware testing.
Okay.
All right, so if something pops up, I'll go ahead and hand it off to you, but for the sake of speeding things up, I'm just going to try to do this. All right, so we got it download. Oh, snap.
It stopped it already.
It did. It looked like view downloads. What is it going to do? Did it remove it? Is it going to like prompt me if I want to run it or something? Because it shouldn't let me run it. What's it doing?
I don't know. Nothing.
I think I broke it. So it's only going to let me... What's this? Reading list. History downloads. So if it's detected, I can't...
Oh, it's gone.
Okay. Clear that one out too. Okay, so that one was blocked. The thing I would like to see, though, Microsoft, is the ability to at least bypass the alert if needed, because there are sometimes things that are false positives. Russian domains. Oh, that one's been blocked too. Okay, so number 2 is blocked. So far, we're doing pretty good. Maybe we're gonna... What did I do?
What did you do?
I pressed a different key. I've screwed it all up.
Oh, something got through.
Forgot to get this.
Google?
No. What? I'm in California. Why? Whatever. I gotta get Process Explorer here.
Why?
Because so we can watch what's going on here in the background.
Okay.
You know that cool thing that you always talk about?
Oh, the kill switch thing.
The kill switch thing, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't open it.
And I keep thinking about the band.
Can I get to the... Oh, I think it's... I can get from here. Everyone's watching me like, what the hell is he doing right here? Why is he struggling so much to find the freaking downloads folder? Don't judge me, okay?
Rookie. That's what you are.
I know. Okay, we're going to send it to desktop after we opened it. Agree. Okay, got that Process Explorer thing. Oh, is it just me or does the colors look
They're different.
Did they update it?
It looks more colorful.
It is very more colorful, but they mean different things. But
Well, it's still more colorful.
some are hidden processes, some are process... Well, not hidden processes necessarily, but some are tied to each other. That's why they're certain colors.
Thanks, I could figure that out.
Okay.
It looks like an Easter fiesta in there.
Easter Fiesta?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we've done our Easter Fiesta. Oh, sorry, we never ran that one yet. It got through, but we didn't run it. So we gotta re-download this thing. Burp. Run. Where is it? Is that... That's not it.
Right there. What's that?
Oh, I can't see the microphones in the way.
Oh, okay.
That's why. Okay, so it looks like something's running there.
There it is. They're there.
It's spawning a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, whatever. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so we're downloading. Very slowly, may I add.
Yeah.
Page not found. So far, didn't anything pop up to them.
Nope.
Most part that way. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's blocked.
It.
So far, we've only had one get through. Maybe two. Oh, we got two now.
Woo! Good. I want to see stuff happen.
You missed my IO bit review.
Oh. Click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. It's in
Click,
Japanese.
click, click, click.
It's in Japanese. These are the good ones.
Oh, do we do it?
Yes, just do it. It's not your Windows. Who cares?
Oh, it's Windows 10. It's so fresh and clean.
Not anymore.
I don't want to launch anything, please.
I think you should. Oh, too bad you are anyways.
Oh, shit. They changed my beautiful clock.
It's Saturday.
No.
Oh, it's
My beautiful new calendar.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, boy.
Master.exe. Oh, that one's blocked. So far, we only had two that get through, and we've done like
I don't even know.
I don't even know. We've done quite a few. I think we're up like to 7 or something like that. Gotta be up to 7, close to being done. I think I'll try like let's do 3 more,
All right.
and then we'll figure it out.
Whoa, what is that one?
Probably not gonna work, but we'll try it. Yeah, see.
Oh. I just have
That
all
looks
the
like-
symbols.
There's
This
some
is
sort of
when
a
I got
script or
excited.
something. Yeah, it's probably in like a different language, and it's in a language that their
We don't
servers
speak.
aren't understanding. Most
It's
likely.
loading something.
What do you mean loading something?
The little wheel thing was spinning.
Oh well, it's probably that malware that's on the system right now that's farting around with the whole thing, and screwing it up, and like, oh my god, Windows 10, what is this? This is very interesting. I've never seen this before. It's probably reporting me to the FBI.
That's fine.
Homeball2.exe. What? Okay, so I think this is the last one,
I think so.
and it's been blocked. Wow. So I mean, overall, it looks like the security has definitely been improved because keep in mind.
Okay, we're good.
Keep in mind, this system just has no antivirus on it whatsoever. And this is Malwarebytes is not a real-time scanner, so that's just a on-demand scanner, which we'll go ahead and run a scan right now, and we'll kind of give our final assessment on Windows
10.
version 10.056. What do you think of it? I mean, you kind of
I like it, but I don't.
Okay. What do you not like about
The fact that it's got the tablet mode, and I don't know, it's just something.
You don't
about
like the
it.
tablet mode?
I don't know why. I just don't.
You don't have to. It automatically boots into desktop mode.
Oh, I like that then.
So you would never have to change it. That's
Okay,
the thing.
well then good. Then I wouldn't. Then I would never change it. I like the whole thing from Spartan or whatever, Project Spartan.
Yeah, the
something
new
like
browser.
That. I like that. I
I know you're a
the
Firefox fan, which I don't know why.
Oh, whatever.
Because it's the worst security in the world.
Great, I don't care. Anyway, but
This is why he's user.
I do like the whole. You can kind of highlight stuff, and I mean that's going to be beneficial for anybody, not just people.
The whole
in
inking
school.
and stuff like that. Yeah.
I mean, granted, in high school, I think people are going to misuse it and draw dicks all over the screen, and then teachers going to.
I knew it. I knew you couldn't go the whole review without mentioning it. I saw it. You know what I said? The first thing when I first tried, I'm like, you know what, Techie versus user, he can't resist. I don't want to have to edit the video. I don't want to.
And I almost got away with it too.
I know. It was just like I was sitting there and I'm like, nope, there he goes. I knew it.
It's worth it.
So,
but I do like that. Like I think for people in college, and if they do get a new laptop or whatever, and it comes with this, that's really going to be nice because when I've studied before, it's always you gotta flip through and then you gotta write it down from the computer, and it's a lot of
exactly.
It's a headache.
And the whole multiple desktops and the whole infrastructure of Windows 10 in general really seems to be stable right now. For the most part, keep in mind that this is an unofficial build. This has not been officially released yet. This build that we're testing, guys. So, from what I've seen right now, this is very stable. And what I've used in the past, everything has been relatively stable, at least compared to Windows Vista and ME.
I don't think I used Vista.
You never used Vista?
I don't think I did.
Okay. I know you probably didn't use well, maybe you used ME. No, you probably
No,
didn't.
probably
I don't think
not.
you ever had ME. A mega disaster it was.
What does it stand for?
Millennium Edition. Millennium Edition?
No.
Yeah. 2000, Windows 2000 was later
I
released.
played with
soon after
I
that
played
disaster.
with Vista at Best Buy, and it was like, oh, that's when I saw the 3D chess. I thought, oh, this is really cool. And then I heard all the problems they were having.
Yep.
It's like,
The
oh,
interface of Vista and the GUI was really nice, but the main problem is they scrapped the project because it became so bloated. They wouldn't have been able to run it on the hardware at the time. It was too ahead of its time. It was designed originally to be a very incremental upgrade from XP. Well,
yeah.
they overdid it. They couldn't shrink down the operating system, so I think it was like a couple months before they were actually going to release it. They completely started from the ground up.
Okay.
So the Windows Vista in general was built in a couple months. That's
Wow.
why it was. Yeah, it was.
It's kind of like EA with their games.
Yes. Don't get me started on that either. So it's been almost an hour here. So what we're going to do is let's just see what it's identified here. We got a potentially unwanted program, adware. So it looks like that program that was installed is just adware, which easily should be able to be removed. Let's check that out right now. See if we can remove that. If we can, here. There we go. Open settings. Oh, hello. Yeah. The joys of virtual PCs.
Yeah.
Where do you think programs would be?
Probably in your system.
System, you think? Yeah, let's try that. I guess we can search for it. Oh, apps and features. Maybe it's under there. Determining app size. I think this is just the Metro apps, kind of. You know what I'm going to do?
Close out of it.
We're going to go old school.
Oh,
no.
You got the porn site popping up.
I don't even know if it's porn or not.
No,
I don't think it is.
Find out because then you're gonna go, oh, I gotta edit the video. And
Yeah, so we should just be able to uninstall this like so, because that's how adware is.
yeah.
So, all right. Well, you want to add anything else to this awesome video?
Oh, I think
No?
I think I said everything I wanted to.
Yeah, I mean, in general, it looks like user is enjoying Windows 10 for the most part. But he's
Yeah.
got a few things that he's griping about. Oh yeah, before we go though, one more thing I want to show you guys. For those of you who are not in the Windows Insider program, even if you're not technically savvy, I would suggest trying to get a virtual PC. Go download VirtualBox. It's free. Find a computer you can run on it and try to download Windows 10 and play around with it. Because what you're going to see in a second here is the Windows feedback. And now what this is essentially is a collection of everybody's gripes, recommendations, suggestions, and it's all put in one spot. So I probably should have done this before I ran all the scans in the malware, but oh well, it'll pull up in just a second here. And you'll see once it pulls up, there's a whole bunch of different things that you can see. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. And we got more stuff popping up here.
Yep.
Oh, adware. Oh, there we go. Okay, pause scan. Stop scan.
Touchpad scroll not working. Please make an. Oh, okay.
Yep. So essentially, let's say
I thought you said Cortana was on this.
it is on this.
Then why did it? Why did that person say?
And we never
Cortana?
touched in Cortana either, did we? We missed that. Yeah. Well, Cortana, I tried it out earlier. It does need a little work. So, but yeah. Essentially, so if you want to say something to Microsoft to get their attention and possibly change something, this is where you would do it. I thought it crashed there for a second.
I thought it did too.
So let's see. I can't get the charms bar I have when pointing upper corner.
Hello. Oh.
Bye.
Oh.
They removed the charms bar, so that one obviously is irrelevant. I'm trying to find one that I can say. Windows tab should be KBNet 7% indicator when downloading. Yes. So if you agree on that, you just click Me Too, and then essentially it will
Bump it up
so one.
Say 505.
Yes. So essentially it said
That's
505 users agree with that, and you can obviously go through the different categories right there, and do that. But this you can sift through this for hours. So I mean, we don't have to do this right now. So.
Oh.
What?
I like this.
I mean, like it. Me too.
Me too.
Yeah. So there you go.
Yay! I helped with something. What is this? What is this? What?
Oh, you did it again.
No! I'm sorry.
All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for this review. I'll see you guys later in the next one. So you want to say anything? That's it.
Bye.
All right.